Good morning, the students of class 8 Modern International School Hiswa. Dear students, in earlier video I taught all of you yesterday the topic the summit within, whose writer is Major Haripal Singh Ahluwalia, and told you about some points about him. Today just I am going to teach the remaining part of the story. Even when he getting down from the peak, the harassment had gone, and asked a question himself in his mind. That means writer raised a question in his mind why he had climbed the Everest. Why did the act of reaching the peak, reaching the summit, such a hold on his imagination? With every passing day, it would become more remote, and his memories fade slowly away. Dear students, such types of things inspired him, that people climb on the mountain. Why? When we think, that means here when the poet thinks, this is not to give the answer of this question, but the easiest answer according to people. That mountain is not existence there. It presents great difficulties. Really, it is not easy task to climb for every person. But the mind takes delight in overwhelming the obstacles, overwhelming the difficulties. The difficulties in climbing a mountain are physical. It means endurance, persistence, and will power. Dear student, it is said that willpower is such thing for every person, for any person, that provides inspiration to do any work. Before, in the eye of that person, only success is to be seen, not any other difficulties. So the demonstration of the physical qualities is no doubt, no suspicious, as it was for him also. Dear students, but he has a personal answer. The answer to the question from his childhood. He has been attracted by mountains because he was fond of mountains. When he went distant from a mountain, he was in trouble. He felt misfortune because mountains are the nature's at its best. He thinks mountains are the best gift of nature, and like many, he believes that mountains are a means of communion with God, because with the help of mountain, the climbers have to get a chance to the height of more and more. Once accepted this, granted this, the question remains in his mind, why Everest, why mountains? Because it is the highest and hardest and mightiest and defied in many previous attempts. The persons who wants to climb on have to face many difficulties of rocks, many difficulties of ice also. But when once take a step, it cannot be given in a half distance. Dear student, imagine any person, if any person starts to climb on the mountain and climb the half distance, what will he do? Because he is in the middle of the path. If he returns, he has to face difficulties. If he go forward, then he has to face difficulties. So both conditions for that person is misfortune. And at last, he has to decide to face the difficulties and come forward and get the achievement, get the victory. But one thing I want to say, that the person at last got victory, the feels very joyful and felt that he has done something in his life, and believe that mountains are a means of communion with God. So, dear students, I would like to say that you have to fix your aim and face the difficulties and get the achievement in your life. With these words, the teaching programs of today I want to stop. Next talk in next video. Thanks. If you have any problem, you can ask on my personal number or on my personal WhatsApp. Thanks.